Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So today's video, it feels like I haven't done one for ages. I suppose what I got for Christmas was like my last haul, but I did a huge haul throughout. So this is stuff that I got like Boxing Day, but took like 3 weeks to arrive, and for like 2 weeks after January I was still buying things, and now I've cut off, like I've stopped spending, because obviously, like I said in my declutter video, I'm moving house, and I only really want to focus on spending my money on that at the moment. Obviously there's a few new bits that we still need to get, so money is tight, so I need to stop buying makeup. And I say that quietly so Connor can't hear me. And plus transporting it from this house to my new house is just going to be ag. So I'm on a spending ban. So you will see, I've got this unboxing video, a Coloured Rain PR unboxing video, and then it'll be my inventory, which might come like either end of January or beginning of February. But anyway, I'm going to stop blabbing on now, and we've got a fun makeup haul. So I've got a lot of Revolution, Charlotte Tilbury, Pink Honey, HMB Cosmetics, Plouise, and everything in between. So if you want to see the makeup that I've recently picked up, then please stay tuned. So if you're wondering about this makeup look, I haven't filmed it because it was from the Plouise Pro course, but I am like so chuffed with it, because at first I didn't really think I was going to be able to do it, but I'm absolutely in love with it now. It was a process, it did take me 2 hours, and my skin is looking very glossy, and sorry if my lipstick is all smudged because I have just eaten my dinner. But yeah, so if you do want a makeup look similar to this, then comment down below, and when I've got time I'll do it for you. But I am absolutely in love with it. I don't usually suit spotlight eyes, but I actually really like it, and I've put like different pigments in the middle. So yeah, this box is very, very full. Lots of yummy brands in here. So first of all, I'm just going to start off with Doll Beauty, because I purchased the Doll Beauty mystery bag. It was £10. I unboxed it on my TikTok. If you're not following me, then I'll link that down below. But it came with a pair of lashes, a lipstick, lip gloss and lip liner. The lashes I didn't really like, so I gave them away, but this lip combo is absolutely unreal, and you know how I feel about nude lip. So first of all, we've got the Doll Lips lipstick in Golden Girl, and it's a very beautiful like peachy nude shade, and it's with the new packaging. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it's absolutely stunning. There's also a TikTok of me applying all of this as well. Then we've got the lip gloss in the shade Gobby, which again is a really nice peachy nude. Then we've got a lip liner in You Go Girl, which is a dark brown. So they've paired this really nicely. So ignore this paint on my hand, but here's the lip liner, here's the lipstick, and here's the lip gloss, and together they become a really nice peachy nude combo, especially mixed with the brown lip liner. So yeah, overall I'm chuffed to bits with that, because like I said, that mystery bag was only £10. So I placed an order on Be Perfect because they had a big sale on, and this was, I think it was like a few days after Boxing Day, and this is what took ages to arrive. I picked up a few things from HMB Cosmetics. So first of all, we got the Soft Focus Airbrush Concealer. This is in the shade 0.5N. I've actually been using this concealer, and it is stunning. If you like a bright under eye and like a very flawless under eye, which obviously I'm pretty sure everyone does now, then this is perfect for it. And I've had a lot of people rave about this concealer recently as well. So that's the swatch for reference, which is a perfect shade for my skin tone. And then to go with that, I actually picked up the HMB Cosmetics Soft Focus Loose Powder. This is in the shade number 1 Fair, and again I've used this a couple of times as well, and it is just unreal. The only thing about this is the packaging. So unless you keep the sticky thing on it, it literally goes all into the lid, and I never keep the sticky thing on because otherwise it's just annoying reapplying it and stuff like that once I've opened it, but you know, I can live with that. And then next I got the Be Perfect Get Wet Cream Highlighter for face and body. This was part of the Stacey Marie collab, I think it was like the Love Tahiti range, and I've seen so many people use this quite often, but I never really thought about getting it before, and then I saw it was on sale, and yeah, I decided to treat myself to it. I think it was literally like £3. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's like the champagne-y kind of one. So let me just, and it does feel like really creamy. It does feel really silky, but it seems quite glittery though. But yeah, I think this would go nice with some makeup looks, and I see obviously Stacey use it quite a lot when I was doing her course. And then I was about to say accidentally then, I actually picked up something from Dior. So this was my first Dior purchase, and how bougie is this packaging? It literally was free as well, and inside came a little cute bag with some perfume samples. And then the thing that I actually ordered was, oh, and also you get a lot of like the Dior shredded paper, but I finally got my hands on the Dior Backstage Face and Glow palette. So this is what it looks like, and this is in the shade 001 Universal. I see so many people rave about this, and it does look so beautiful. I've yet to use it. I kind of don't want to touch it, but I want to take some photos of it first before I start swatching it and stuff like that, because it is such a beautiful palette. And then from Beauty Bay, I picked up a few things from Pink Honey. So I've been dying to try the Pink Honey bronzing face frosting. So this is what it looks like here. Again, it was on sale, and this is in the shade Milky Mocha, and I swear this shade was always out of stock. It seems quite a weighty package as well, but I really love the design of the packaging. This is what the shade looks like. So a really nice colour for when I'm not fully tanned. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, it'd be quite nice for the days where I feel quite pale. Then I also picked up their new product. So this is the Blush Bible, and this is in the shade Girl Code. So I wanted the more pinky one, and this packaging looks really cool actually, because it comes in 2 sections. So you open it up, it comes like this, and then basically it clips together like an actual book. So yeah, so I clipped it together like a book. So on one side you have the powder. This is what it looks like, really nice pink. Is this powder or is this a cream? Oh, this is the cream, I think. Oh, this feels well nice. That is really nice. And then the other side, oh no, this is the cream. What? I'm so confused. So that's the cream then. And the other side is the powder, but the powder seems really creamy and foamy. You can see my indent there. So the indulge your skin with a new soft touch silky cream blush. Versatile product can be used to add a natural flush to skin or can be built up. And then, oh, that's chapter 1. Chapter 2, finish your blush by topping with the silky cream powder. Don't know, but yeah, really cool, so I can't wait to play with that. Then I've been wanting this for ages because I've seen so many people rave about it, or people that have got oily skin, and obviously I have oily skin. And this is the MERCIER Blurring Primer. So it's the Pure Canvas Primer, and it's silicone free, and it's 50ml of product. So this literally took ages to arrive from Look Fantastic as well. But this is what the packaging looks like, so nice and simple. And I tried this, when did I try it? When did I go out? I think I went out. And it's actually really nice, but it didn't feel like it was, like it didn't feel like a sticky base or a tacky base, so I was confused how my makeup would stick to it, but it did give me a really nice smooth base ready for application. Picked up a few things from the drugstore. So first of all, I needed a new mascara, and I got the new Revolution 5D Lash Power Mascara. This is what it looks like. I'm going to film a TikTok on this. Apparently it's meant to be really good. So this is what the packaging looks like, and then you just pop that open and out comes your applicator rather than twisting it, so it's a little bit different. And then I picked up a WELEDA Skin Food Light Moisturiser. So I picked this up from Boots, and I like the full version, but it does get really oily throughout the day because I have oily skin. This is meant to be for dry skin, but I feel like it's a really good moisturiser, and it does really help with my skin as well. It helps clear it up and things like that. So yeah, so this is the light version, and I've been using it non-stop. Then I picked up, finally, I've never had one of these before, and I hear so many people rave about it, but the Revolution Reloaded Highlighter. So this is in the shade Just My Type, and it's a really nice like champagne-y shade, but how beautiful is that? And then I was looking up as well for dupes, like drugstore dupes for the Charlotte Tilbury Orgasm Liquid Blush. I think it's called Orgasm. Pinkgasm, that's the one. and someone actually mentioned this Misguided one. So it's a Stop Unblushing High Pigment Liquid Blusher, and oh my god, it's absolutely beautiful. Let me just swatch it for you real quick. It's a very small bottle, so I feel like I'd go through quite a lot of this because I do love a liquid blush. This is what it looks like. It is pink, but it's coming up more orangey on camera, but it's just got a really nice beautiful sheen to it, like a gold sheen, a bit like the Charlotte Tilbury one. So yeah, and it was only cheap. I think it was like £6 or something like that. I also picked up the L'Oreal True Match Nude Plumping Tinted Serum. So this has got 1% pure hyaluronic acid, and I like the little pipette that it comes with it. But I love the True Match foundation, and I really like a light coverage for when I go to work, so this just seems perfect. And this is in the shade 0.5 to 2, very light. So I think it's it covers like a few shades, and I think it changes to your skin color, I don't know. And then whilst we're on foundations, I also picked up the new Charlotte Tilbury one. So this is the Beautiful Skin Foundation, and yeah, I think I got this in the shade 3 Neutral. I think I'm going to do a TikTok review of this. This is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful packaging, and I love this kind of packaging as well. A bit like the IT Cosmetics, the e.l.f. Camo. And then because I was getting that, I also got, because they had a deal on, and I got a new Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So this is well loved in my collection, and you know, I needed a new one. So this is in the shade 1 Fair, and it's just such a nice micro fine setting powder to go like underneath your eyes. Absolutely perfect. And then I picked up a few things from Vinted and like Depop. So the first one I got was this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Dim Light. So it doesn't even look like it's been used, just a mini one, but I've never tried any of their setting powders or bronzers or anything like that, so I want to start collecting some of these. So yeah, and I got that for dirt cheap as well, so I'm going to try that. And also the GLOWISH by Huda Beauty, the Caring Coral Cheeky Vegan Plush Blush Powder. So this is what it looks like, and it's never been used before, so I got it for a good bargain. Then I picked up a VIEVE Skin Nova Instant Radiance Primer, and I just wanted the sample version because I wanted to test it before I actually bought it, because this is actually quite expensive. It's like £25. So this is Skin Perfecting Radiance Primer and Hydrator, and yeah, the mini one was literally only £6, so I thought I'd try that before I delve into the other ones. And then got all this Plouise stuff off Tinted as well. So I really wanted the Winter Wonderland palette. So this is from the Christmas range, and I absolutely love the love tapes. I've got them all except Date Night, which I sold. So this is what it looks like, and it hasn't been touched. It came with all the protector thing as well, but this is what the palette looks like. So let me know if you want to see a video on that, even though Christmas has obviously been and gone. But I love those baby blues, very, very winter, and obviously we are in the middle of winter. The girl was so nice. So basically I picked up that along with a lip drip. So this was again brand new as well, and this is in the shade Cocoa Bean, and I've got one of the lip drips already, and I really love the formula. So this is a nice chocolatey brown one, so let me just swatch it for you, which I think is absolutely beautiful. There it is there. And then because I bought that, she chucked in the Smoochy lip liner. So this is in shade Mark My Words, and it's one of those retractable lip liners that they do, I think. I don't know, sharpening one, I don't know. This is their shade there, and it's quite a yellowy brown lip liner. Really lovely girl on Vinted. Then I also picked up this from Vinted as well, the Plouise Balls Pigments. So it comes with 4 of the pigments, and this is quite expensive. I think they're like 40 quid retail price, and she sold this to me for £10. So they've never been used, and that's what they look like. So I think I'm going to do like an unboxing and swatching video again on my TikTok or Reel or something like that. So make sure you follow them, because I'm getting quite active on there now, you know. And then last but not least, I got the new xxxx Revolution Mystic, or X Mystic palette, but this is what it looks like. And it's because Beauty Bay, I don't know if it was a mistake or if they meant to do that, but they had this on. Usually these palettes are £20, and I always say I'm going to pick up one because I really want the xxxx Green Envy, I think it's called, and like the orange one, like kombucha. And anyway, Beauty Bay had this on for £8, but then you could use a discount code, so I got it for like £6 something, which obviously I wasn't going to refuse. But this is what it looks like. It's a really nice palette, to be fair, and then it's quite colourful but with your neutrals inside. So you've got your purples, pinks, and then, yeah, a lot of neutrals, a lot of golds and browns and some marble shades, which seems like they're duping other brands. And yeah, so if you want to see a video on that, then do let me know. But all my palette reviews now won't be up until after my inventory, because I really need to get that done because it's the start of the year. I'm going to try and film it in a minute, to be fair. So yeah, that is everything that I brought, and that'll be the last haul that you should see from me for a while, hopefully. But yeah, I can't wait to play around with all this stuff. Let me know what you think of all these products. Is there anything that you have, that you love, that you want to try, that you hate? Let me know, as I'd love to hear your opinions on things. Make sure you're following everything down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also make sure you're subscribed, because like I said, we've got a lot of videos coming. And yeah, hopefully I shall see you in the next one. Bye.